everyone, welcome back to FT Hub. My name is Khushbu and this is the series number 2 on how to improve your spoken English and speak with confidence in real situation. In the last video, we talked about basic technique, but today we will go one step deeper and learn how to think in English, how to remove fear and how to sound confident in real situation. So stay with me till the end. Technique number 1. Stop translating in your mind. This is a very common problem. Most of the learners first think in Hindi and they translate into the English, and this creates delay, confusion and fear. So from today, stop translating word by word. Instead, think in simple English thoughts. For example, not think मैं office जा रहा हूँ and then you translate it, but directly think I'm going to office. Start with simple sentences and slowly your mind will adjust. Remember, thinking in English builds your confidence. Technique number 2. Speak even if your English is not perfect. Many people say, I will speak when my English become perfect. But perfect English never comes first. Speaking comes first and perfection comes later. If you are speaking wrong, it's okay. If your grammar is weak, it's okay. What is important? You are speaking, and confidence grows only when you speak regularly. Technique number 3. Use daily life English. Don't learn bookish English only. Learn daily life English. Use the sentences like, let me check, give me a moment, I'll get back to you, that makes sense, I'm not sure about that. These sentences are simple but very powerful, and when you use them, your English sounds real and natural. Technique number 4. Practice loudly, not silently. Many people practice only in their mind. They read English, they listen to English, but they don't speak loudly. So from today, practice out loud. Speak in front of the mirror, mobile camera or empty room. Your mouth needs training. Your tongue needs practice. And one more important thing, English is not only a language, it is a speaking skill. Technique number 5. Control your fear, not English. Many people don't fear English, they fear judgment. What will people think, or what if I make mistake? But let me tell you something important. People are busy with their own lives. So speak for yourself and improve for yourself. Because confidence is not about perfect English. It is about clear thinking. Technique number 6. Create an English environment. You need not to go abroad. Create English around you. Change your mobile language to English. Talk to yourself in English. Watch English videos and follow the English speaking channels. A small change, a big result. And here is the simple challenge for you for the next 7 days. Day 1 to 2, talk about yourself. Day 3 to 4, talk about your daily routine. Day 5 to 6, talk about your goal. And day 7, talk freely for 3 minutes. Record yourself every day, and after 7 days, you feel the confidence. One more important thing, English is not about talent. It is about consistency. And if you found this video is very helpful, so please like, share, subscribe to FT Hub. This is the Khushbu shining up. See you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep improving, and keep speaking English. Hello everyone, welcome back to FT Hub. My name is Khushbu, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can improve your spoken English and speak confidently in daily life. Many English learners feel nervous. They think English is very difficult. They're afraid of making mistakes. But let me tell you one simple truth. English is not difficult. It becomes easy when you practice in right way. And in this video, I will share you simple, practical and powerful technique that will help you speak English clearly, confidently and naturally. So watch this video till the end. Technique number first is speak slowly. The first and most important technique is speak slowly. Many people think if I speak fast, my English will sound good. But this is wrong. When you speak fast, you feel nervous. You make more mistakes and you forget words. But when you speak slow, you think clearly. You choose right word and you sound more confident. Remember, slow English is the good English. So from today, reduce your speed a little. Speak slowly and speak clearly. Technique number 2. Use short sentences. The second technique is use short and simple sentences. Short sentences help you avoid mistake, feel relaxed and communicate better. For example, instead of saying a long sentence like I want to improve my English because my communication is weak, I feel nervous. You can say that I want to improve my English. I feel nervous while speaking. And this sound simple, clear and powerful. Always remember, simple English is the good English. Technique number 3. Listen and repeat. Now let's talk about one of the fastest technique, listen and repeat. Listen to the good speakers, podcast, YouTube videos and interview. First just listen, then pause the video and repeat the same sentences. Copy their pronunciation, tone, pauses and confidence. And this method improves your spoken English. So do this daily for 10 to 15 minutes and you will see the differences. Technique number 4 is speak in chunks. The next technique is speak in chunks. Chunks are the small groups of the word that native speaker use again and again. For example, at end of the day, in my opinion, as a matter of fact, let me show my examples are to be honest. If you use the chunks in your English, then your English sound fluent, natural and professional. So start learning English in chunks, not only single words. Technique number 5. Don't fear mistake. This is the most important technique. Don't fear mistake. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Making mistake means you are learning. If you do not make mistake, you are not practicing enough. So never feel shy and never stop speaking. Be proud of yourself and be proud of your progress. And now I want to give you one simple daily task. Choose any topic like your daily routine, your dream, your job or your studies and speak for a few minutes every day. And record your voice on your mobile and listen to it. And you will see the improvement within 1 week. And one of the most important thing, English is a skill. And any skill improves with practice. So keep practicing, keep learning and keep growing. And if you found this video is helpful, so please like, share, subscribe to UFT and thank you so much for watching this video. This is the Khushbu signing off. See you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep learning and keep speaking English.